So this was again just to give you a hang on networking, because you could only have connected with people that you know of, right? Networking, first aspect, start knowing more people. Networking, the first aspect is about knowing more people, right? Start knowing more people. And second, when you want to develop a relationship with anybody, that's all about living the moment, that very moment. I actually heard Sadhguru once on this concept of developing relationships and being there in the moment. And you know how he actually narrated this? He says, Sarkar, are you there with me in this moment? Not this, not the moment which is spent by this moment. अभी जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ आप मेरे साथ हैं. This moment. Relationship is all about being in the moment. Prajapati, you were thinking of something else right now. Prajapati, कुछ अभी आप सोच रहे थे और. तो ये right ऐसा होता है. So you were not there with me in this moment.
Just for the last second.
अभी आप मेरे साथ हैं.
मुझसे बात कर रहे थे. I was like,
अभी आप मेरे साथ हैं. In this moment. वो वाला नहीं, सदगुरु वाला नहीं. अभी इस moment आप मेरे साथ हैं. Relationship is all about being there in that moment. Relationship, building a relationship is all about putting away your mobile phone. Mobile phone is good as far as networking is concerned, but not for developing a relationship. Developing a relationship is all about being in the moment. So, second aspect which I discussed with you, developing that entrepreneurial mindset, if you really need to grow in your life, is all about networking and relationships. And I spoke about the aspect of you remembering names, or at least knowing other people in terms of names is how you really make a connect. That's the first aspect of networking. And if you really want to develop a relationship, you really need to keep your phone on the side and be there in the moment, that moment. I've learned this from one of my bosses. You know, he was at a very senior level, and whenever somebody walked into his room, he really used to put his laptop to sleep. So, right now, as you have your laptop on, right? If somebody walks into the room, he really used to shut it down. When I say shut it down, obviously put it to sleep, and then speak to the other person. I am there with you in this moment. Raj, आप तो समझते हैं इस चीज को, आपका तो नाम से ही. तो अगर राइट बरुआ आप भी समझते हैं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, मतलब in the moment. So can you be with the other person in that moment is the only way you will develop relationships. And if you develop relationships, Tyagi, that's the only way you will grow in your life. Ultimately, beyond a point, nobody is really concerned about how much you know. People do acknowledge your business acumen, but beyond a point, the leaders that you see in the organizations are the people who really have a good handle on how to manage people. They've been able to develop good relations with people around them. So the only way to develop a relationship is to be with that other person in that moment, that very moment.